Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. To make shrimp fried rice, we are using a non-stick skillet. We could be using a wok, however, they are made for high output commercial stoves. Home stovetops are going to concentrate all the heat at the bottom of the pot, leaving the sides cold. Since stir frying is all about high heat, we want as much surface area as possible exposed to the heat. Over medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then we're frying 2 beaten eggs. Do not overcook the eggs as we don't want them to turn brown. As soon as the eggs are cooked, you may set them to one side of the pot. Now we're adding in 1 pound of shrimp, clean and deveined. Saute the shrimp for a couple of minutes until they are just cooked. Do not overcook, please. As they are cooking, flip them over so they cook evenly. After a couple of minutes, get the shrimp and the eggs out and set them aside. To the pan, add in 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 small onion, diced. Saute for a couple of minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Then add in 1 cup of ham, diced, followed by 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots. Stir that in for about 2 minutes. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar is going to help balancing the flavors. Now, add in 4 cups of cooked white rice. The rice was cooked the day before and it rested in the fridge overnight. Give that a stir. As you stir the rice in, make sure to break up any lumps. Add in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, stir that in. We want to get every grain of rice evenly coated. And after a couple of minutes, we bring these guys back into the skillet. And toss it all in. As we are approaching the final stage, turn the heat off. Add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. The sesame oil would lose its fragrance if we heat it up too much. A quarter of a teaspoon of ground white pepper. A quarter of a cup of spring onions. Now toss it all in for one last time. By adding the sesame oil, you would get that lovely smokiness that you would normally get from a Chinese restaurant fried rice. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it. Shrimp fried rice. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.